Hey guys, so this is just a quick review of the Grosche, I'm not really sure how you pronounce it, coffee maker. So I've been using this for about a week and I'm really impressed. So this is my previous setup. I have my cup, I've got my filter, I put the coffee in the filter and then pull the water inside, pour it directly in, and then pull this out. It was really messy. So when I saw this on Amazon, I figured I'd purchase it. So the way it works is it's got a large filter and then a very fine steel kind of metal filter. So this actually works with really fine coffees. And you just pour the water inside here and it pushes the coffee to the side as it strains out through this tiny little hole and into the coffee maker. So I've been able to make some really strong coffee, even stronger than using my previous method with the same amount of coffee. So I'm just going to demonstrate how it works. Got my hot water kettle right here. I'm going to pour it in. And you can see it kind of straining out. And it's pouring into the bottom. The coffee is always strong. I think it's just the way the filter is designed. It's a really good design how all the water it's a very thin layer of water on the sides and it just flows to the middle, so coffee always comes out strong. Once you're done, you just put this aside. You can take this beaker with this little rubber handle area, just pour it in. So, highly recommend this. I hate percolators. You see I have one right there. I never use them. They take too long and they're not hot enough. This doesn't really keep your coffee hot, but when you make it fresh, it's really hot. And that's what I like.